Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, known for its towering sandstone pillars, it inspired the floating mountains in the movie Avatar. Zhucha-Igu Valley, a fairyland of colorful lakes, waterfalls, and snow-capped peaks. Tianmen Mountain features the world's longest cable car ride and a glass skywalk. Huangshan Yellow Mountain, famous for its dramatic peaks, hot springs, and pine trees. Mount Everest Base Camp Tibet, the starting point for climbers heading to the summit of the world's highest mountain. Follow for more videos. Thank you.